Last February 8, there was an accident in Matteo Gudicelli's restaurant in Westgate Philinvest. Ito yung kanyang restaurant na Gianni di Cucina Italiana. Kinonfirm ni Matteo na hindi naman high or lasing yung driver, but talagang nagpanic lang siya. So good thing, wala namang customers sa sasaktan doon sa Alfresco area. There were 2 staff na kailangan dalhin sa ospital. And mabuti naman at ligtas na sila. Matteo doesn't have plans to file a case kasi naintindihan naman niya yung nangyari. Hindi naman sinasadya nung 72-year-old lady. Talagang nagpanic lang siya. They will just have internal arrangements, no? Kung meron kailangang ayusin, and the insurances will take care of the damages. Alam mo, naalala ko tuloy yung nangyari doon sa isa sa mga convenience stores that I handled, no? Pre-pandemic. Ganito rin yung nangyari, na taranta din yung driver. So, diretso siya doon sa convenience store. Mabuti na lang, walang customers noon, wala ding staff sa cashier area. At good thing, wala talagang nasaktan. Very important talaga yung safety feature ng establishment. Pero minsan kahit na nandyan na lahat ng safety features, kung mangyayari talaga yung aksidente, wala talaga tayong magagawa. So, anong dapat natin gawin? We just have to be ready, watchful din, cautious, di ba? Of course, dapat may backup plan. Para in case something unexpected happens, meron tayong kasangga. Care always, dahil ang gusto ko, okay ka. This is your Mama Girl. See you!